Okay, today it's a little better day. Found out that is a metric 14 out of 13. Being upset yesterday, I couldn't focus. Now that I'm calmed down, I noticed that 13 wasn't sliding in. I don't know how it rotated, how it turned yesterday, but it did a little bit. So that's why I assumed that it was a 13, but it's not 14. We used this bottle jack to lift on the motor. I will wrench on that nut, that's bolt here. I'll wrench on it a little bit, and then I have my son jack it up a little bit. Then I'll wrench on it again, and then I have him jack it back up. That's how we remove that screw, 14 millimeter screw. Now I'm going to try to remove this out. Push this, we'll get it out of there. There you go. It's out. It's out. I have to have my son jack it up a little bit so I can pry it out. I used a screwdriver to push it out. Right there. Now we need this side. So this is going to be a little harder. Control arm's in the way. Well, that'll be another video.